The method which I'm going to show you in this video will be applicable onto the all browsers, meaning by that once you'll block a website within the Windows, it will not open in any of the browsers. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll take the example of flickr.com and we'll try to block this website. Step 1, search for Notepad and right click on that and run as administrator. Open, click file, click open, click drive C. In drive C, click Windows. In Windows, click system32. In system32, open the drivers folder. Within that, open this etc folder and click show all files from here, and then click host and then open this in the notepad. This is the file where you need to feed in the address of a website where you want to block. To block the website, you need to add 127.0.0.1 at the end, and then you need to click www.flickr.com. So once you will type this address, just press save and then close host file. In order to make those changes effective, you need to restart your computer. So I'm going to stop the recording, restart the computer, and I'll come back. So I've restarted my computer and now we'll see that whether we are able to open the flickr.com or not. As you can see that the site cannot be reached, meaning by that this site has been blocked. Now in order to unblock, you need to just undo this thing, just delete the last line from the same host file and click save and then close the file, and then maybe again you need to restart your computer in order to make these changes effective, but without restarting, let me check. So as you can see that we have been able to open the flickr.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.